Hello, this is Computer Calamity unboxing something. Not actually sure. This could be something, could be something else. We'll soon find out. Also, I can't actually find a knife, so we're going to use this piece of metal. Fancy. So without further ado, I'm going to try and get... into the box. It would appear they've used some sort of really crap, eco-friendly rubbish instead of sellotape. Or, in my mind, all parcels should be packaged with gaffer tape at the very least to ensure security. This is going to look right. Inside the box is a sheet of paper, and then oh, that's actually quite heavy. It's a surprise. And box. Oh, Jesus. This almost looks like it's pretending to be some sort of a quality item. Something. Multi-core CPU support. Good, because we've got 6 as the buggers. I'm assuming I have to... get that open there. And if the box isn't damaged by the sticky material... He said this, he just damaged the box with the sticky material. So, yeah, inside that box, I want this box. And opening it up, what we got. Manual doesn't smell weird, which is, I guess, a start. Another box. There's something rattling around in there. Aha! Knew not to throw that away. Screws of the ATX of Star variety. I don't know what. Jesus Christ. I suppose, for how much I paid, this is quite a nice box. This isn't like Alpine cheap, but it isn't like Corsair expensive. But, so there's that. That could look nice next to my graphics card box. And, ooh, this is really very heavy. Or maybe it's just very normal and my current power supply is just so rubbish that I don't know what an actual one feels like anymore. Will this be a good sign? Or an omen? That is actually very nice. The back isn't... The AC230 volt label on this one isn't just plugging up a hole like on my old one. I'm impressed by this. And the switch doesn't feel like pure cancer when you touch. Oh, and it's got a 6-pin connector, so graphics cards adapter we're no longer going to require. Lots of SATA connectors by the looks of it. And if not lots of SATA connectors, I can make it lots of SATA connectors. There we go. bet this is going to be extremely tedious. Oh, it's very cold, this package. It feels like it's sat in the back of a van for a night. But, yeah. It'll be a 24 pin thing is on its own separate. The rest of there's 4 pin, 1 SATA, 2. If I only get 2, I'm going to be a bit annoyed. Still more than I have currently, which is 1, but it would still be a bit annoying. Guess I should have actually read the specs. But that's actually a very nice looking thing. Molex SATA floppy, SAT3. We can turn that into 5 with this Molex connector. We can turn it into 5. Well, I just have one thing for it. I'll disconnect all of that, and we'll put this in a separate video. Harry, feel how heavy it is. No. That's not the timer.